So ni'n mynd i argraffu nawr, dyn ni Griff?
Yeah.
A ni'n mynd i dim fi gynta?
Yeah, and you need a spoon.
We are going to need a spoon. We're not quite yet, but we are going to need a spoon. So I'm going to print mine first because I'm just going to do black. So I'm going to keep mine really simple. One colour. And I'm a big fan of monochrome, aren't I, Griff? Lots of my work is just black.
Yeah, like there over there.
Yeah.
Lots of them are just black.
Keeps things simple. That's
One
not
of
very
them's just yellow.
bad. Okay, so there's some technicality in the printing, isn't there? Do you remember what we need to do? Am I going to go in with all the ink?
You do touch it a tiny bit and then rub.
That's it, yeah. So we need a little amount of ink, don't we? Does dim sy'n llawer o ink o gwbl, mae'n mynd yn bell, it goes really fast. So ni'n mynd i mewn gyda tamau bach. Tamau bach i ddechrau. Wedyn ni'n mynd roli fe allan.
Then you turn it the other side and roll it that way.
Lovely. A pwy math o sŵn mae'n gwneud? What kind of sound does it make now?
Like, very like crackly.
It is crackly, it's quite a,
Yeah.
I don't know, what kind of velcro-y noise.
Yeah.
Yeah. The texture is quite coarse when you first start rolling it out. There's quite a coarse texture. And you want to keep going, but within the small kind of area. I mean, there's no point spreading it about, is there? Mwygl yn high wedyn, ynddo fe? Mwygl yn high is
And if you are doing it those colours, it's better off starting in the corner.
in the corner, yes, you've got more room.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm being a bit greedy now, I'm taking the whole thing, aren't I? Oh well.
But you might need a lot of black,
This is true.
so it
you
might
want
spread out a
to
bit.
change direction so the roller gets completely covered, and you want to keep going until that texture has become much finer. Can you see that it's become much finer, yeah, Griff?
Yeah.
And how's the noise now?
And like more smoother.
Yeah, it's more of a hiss now, isn't it? I'd say that's a good amount of ink. So the texture's really fine and it's a nice hissing, rather than a big, thick, gloopy.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
need to spread these out so it doesn't go on a trap, then it doesn't get stuck to it.
That's true. We could do that, couldn't we? But if you're doing lots of colours, it might be worth moving them, yeah, so all the blacks in the same place. Is that worth doing as well? Yeah? So we're just rolling it on, and as you can see, they're quite small, so you don't have to recharge the roller between them. I might recharge it now. So you just dip back to your little reservoir, and you do it again, and there's quite a lot of pressure, so fi'n gwysgu lawr nath y caled. Bit of a drop down.
Yeah, but there's going to be ink at the back of it.
Oh, doesn't matter.
I guess not.
So I'm pressing down quite firmly, so there's a good amount of coverage going on. You want it to cover really well, but you can see that where you've scratched into it, there's no ink there, so they're going to be white. Black moon, or should I just leave the moon plain and hopefully get an embossing? Yeah, plain, I think, isn't it? Yeah? So I'm not going to ink the moon up, and hopefully I'm going to blind emboss it, so the pressure of the spoon's just going to leave an indentation in the paper. That's the plan anyway, isn't it? So a bit more ink. So you can notice I haven't gone back here for the ink, I'm just going back to this kind of rolled out area. Remember, don't go into that bit. We have too much ink when you mess it to it, anyway.
Yeah. And don't spread it out too much or you will go into it.
That's true. Okay, badger bach nawr then. So I'm pressing really hard. Ooh!
Too hard.
Too hard, you're right. And then you can see on the badger where we peeled that little bit off, there's a different texture.
Yes.
So dyle hwnna graffu'n gwahanol wedyn, rhyw bach o contrast in it. So now what's good to do?
But wash our hands.
Yeah, Diane, wash our hands. Because even though we were using a roller, it's still everywhere. So let's go wash our hands. Let's leave this here.
Because
wash
you've
our
been
hands.
picking it up and stuff.
That's why, yeah, you're right. That is why.
And you need to smooth it out and your hands need to be clean or ink will go everywhere in the spoon.
So it's good job to get clean, isn't it?